Happy Bharat, Happy World, Rich Bharat, Rich World. I am Kavishri working in Kapil Maharshi Numerology Office as a PRO. Let's speak with Baba Pandurangam Garu, world's high-paid numerologist, excellent life coach and also yoga guru. Hello sir, how are you?
Happy morning, great morning. I'm always fine and excellent. What about you, Kavishri?
I'm fine sir.
Very nice. Every day we are going to do magic bottle affirmation.
Manifestation, yes.
Magic of the manifestation.
Yes sir.
Simply and fastly and happily. Simply and fastly and happily. In my lucky account, I got 1 crore 59 lakhs 36,999. Thank you, universe. Thank you, numbers. And thank you, magic bottle also.
Yes.
After this affirmation or manifestation, I am taking this water. Okay?
Yes.
You can also daily practice the through the magic bottle. You can also become a millionaire. Okay?
Yes.
And use the lucky sticker kit.
Yes, Lucky Stickers kit is available. You can collect from our office directly. The price is only 1000 rupees and courier service also is available. For courier service, the price is only 1600. And one more video also is there in YouTube, Baba Pandangam Telugu, Hindi and English about this lucky stickers. Please check out the video and collect the stickers and become lucky also.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Today main topic is
About
what is lifetime graph?
And
What
how
is
many
it?
pages are there and
Yes.
what detailed description about lifetime
Definitely,
graph.
definitely. This is lifetime graph.
Yes, sir.
The lifetime graph have 9 pages.
Okay, 9
The
pages.
9 pages, what is the 1 to 9 pages? Okay?
Yes, description we'll check out.
Yes. And you can follow the lucky name, lucky mobile number, lucky bank account number, lucky vehicle number, lucky marriage dates, and numbers to the universe. And sixth one is lifetime graph. And this is the lifetime graph. Number 1, first page is the lifetime graph events.
Okay, life events is first.
Life event, what is the life events? Marriage,
Okay.
and new vehicle, and ceremony of your home.
Housewarming ceremony.
Yes, everything.
Childbirth and everything.
Childbirth. These are the events.
Okay, life events. Okay.
Main important events, your life events.
Okay.
This is definitely crystal clear. Tells about your future lifetime graph. First page also. Main events.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And second one, 100 years graph, lifetime graph.
Okay, 100 years graph.
This is the 100 years lifetime graph. Wherever the year the increasing and decreasing, the lifetime graph in 100 years. This is the second page.
Second page.
This is the second page.
Okay.
And third page is 1 to 25 years. 1 to 25 years lifetime graph. This is the 1 to 25 years. And fourth page is 26 years to
50 years.
26
26
years
to
to 50 years. This is the lifetime graph. Which age you have the top position. The graph is top increasing in your age. The number is edge point, everything.
Below the edge point or above the or
Yes.
below?
And 75 years to 100 years, the sixth page.
Okay, sir.
Sixth page. And 75 and 50 to 75 years.
Okay.
51 to 75,
is fifth page.
fifth page, and sixth
Sixth
page
page.
is 76 to 100 years. This is the last page. This is the 100 years last page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this is the seventh page is
Multiple of 10 years.
10 years. Multiple of 10 years. Total. This is the synapse of the your lifetime graph.
Okay, every 10 years.
10 years, 89, 99, 2009. This is my graph.
Okay.
2019, 2029, 2039, 49, 59, 69, 79. This is the 10 years lifetime graph. And 12 years, multiplier,
Multiple of 12 years.
12 years lifetime graph.
Okay.
Okay. And last one,
Is turning point.
turning points.
Okay, turning
Which
points.
is turning point 2013, 2022, 2031, 2040. 40 I got the 6 number, and 31 I got the 7 number turning point.
Okay.
And 2022 4 number turning point, and 2013 I got the 3 number. So every number is a different characters and different results. Okay?
Okay.
So this is the lifetime graph. First time in the world in a numerology history, I am discovered the lifetime graph in 9 pages.
Yes, sir.
I am discovered 9 pages lifetime graph. definitely you can achieve your goals in your life through the lifetime graph, because the lifetime graph tells 100% your future. The graph when is increase, when is decrease,
Decreasing.
which year, which age, the
Yes.
lifetime graph it increase in the lifetime graph.
Yes.
Okay, definitely this is the offer price is going on for children's in Bharat also and
For
NRS also.
NRIs also.
So 6,999 for children's in Bharat and 15,999 for NRIs. So
Yes.
hurry up, this is the golden opportunity for lifetime graph for your children's, because you are doing hard work for a better future for your children's. That is the reason your children's now going to complete the 10th class in going to first 11th and 12th standard
Yes, sir.
education. So you can take the BPC, MPC or all these courses, but the lifetime graph is not good. Why you choose this tough subject,
Yes,
science
before
subject?
only they can come to know
So
whether it is good.
the lifetime graph is good. You can give the more hard subject to
They
your
can
children.
choose. Yes, they can
But
choose.
lifetime graph is not good. Simply you can say to your children what your subject, what is your desire, what is your ambition, you can take the course.
Accordingly, they can
And not only the education purpose, you can use this lifetime graph in business also.
business names.
Your
also.
startups also.
Yes.
Already 15 years, 20 years back you started some business. The business is 10 years is a very fine and top level. After 5 years, the business downfall and gradually decrease your business. The lifetime graph you can see when the your struggles bad period is started, when the good period started. Everything is a lifetime graph tells your business, or your lifetime graph tells your future also.
Yes.
So lifetime graph like a route map, like a Google map. This is a life map. Okay.
Okay.
So kindly I am requesting every parents pick, and this is the golden opportunity.
for
Hurry up,
children especially.
take the lifetime graph, because
of your children.
last 2-3 days back the deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh, Pawan Kalyan,
Son.
younger son,
Yes, sir.
younger son Mark Shankar Pavanovich, lifetime graph I told already. The age of 80 years, lifetime graph number is 17 and edge point is below the edge
Yes.
point.
So you met with an
So
accident.
that is the reason the fire accident is occurred.
Yes.
Okay, everything you know the 100 years of lifetime graph, what is the position you are in the lifetime graph.
We can check out. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. Please like and share and activate the bell icon. Forward this video near and here. Thank you. Happy Bharat, happy Bharat, Bharat. Thank you.